This is a very integral part of the farm. This center is not only meant to store the grains and produce from the farm safely, it also meant to process, do the primary processing of and value addition of the grains that are coming from this farm and allied farms. We conduct cold process flour making and soon we'll have our own cold process oil manufacturing unit, processing unit at the center. We also have a storage facility where we pack, sort, clean stuff, and then finally pack our produce that goes out for retail to direct customers. Is stored at this place safely in chemical free manner in grain bags that takes care of the produce for a longer time. We also have a vacuuming machine that vacuum packs different produce like pulses, flours in a manner that increases their shelf life and keeps them pest free without the use of any chemicals or harmful methods. Here we have a small bamboo house. Here is the beautiful neem tree. These small blue and the large one black tank is used to make a different farm land inputs and pest management solutions which is made with the help of cow dung, cow urine, soil, neem leaves and different other leaves which are available around the farm and which are proven to repel pests. Thus we don't use any kind of chemical pesticides on any of our crops, which is really dangerous for the consumption. This is again the guava tree taking shape. This is naturally grown mango tree coming up nicely. We also have avla tree taking its shape slowly. This guava, another guava. I've got few trees that came up naturally. I'll take you closer to give you a closer look of these trees. This is tamarind. This is tamarind again. There are like 3 more trees of tamarind. This is babool. This is again babool. Its leaves are very nutritious. It has a lot of thorns, but it's pretty good for the boundary of the farm. These are water harvesting pits. So these are designed with the help of experts that have studied the farm and we figured out the best place to harvest water. And these pits basically store water, rainwater or irrigation water, stores them, and then finally goes back to refill the water table of the farm. We have our borewell right there. which is used to irrigate the field, and also the pond that I had earlier shown to irrigate the field. And that's a mountain. Let's not say mountain, it's not so tall, it's not so big. It's a small jungle just behind the farm. There's a lot of boars, leopards and other wild animals living coexisting with the village around here. Signing off from Kalp Integrated Organic Farm. Bye bye.